braid,
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 braid.
braid.
Smoke,
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 smoke.
smoke.
Okay, spell it.
S-M-O-K-E, smoke.
Yeah, that's smoke. Yeah, smoke.
Turtle,
Wax nail.
waxy, lake, her, kite, tear, up, happy,
Braid.
braid, braid, fly behind her.
Okay, this one is insert. You can think of this. Turtle wax nail.
Raised her bicycle into the driveway. Look, look, there, there's smoke, there's smoke coming from the chimney of the
Westing
house. The others had seen it. What did she think? They were looking at anyway. Turtle
Need.
need the
Handlebars. Okay, handlebars. I think it means the bicycle. Handlebar. Yeah, the handlebar. Oh, I put a R over here. Handlebar. Yeah, that is a handlebar. What's that?
smoke,
Smoke, smoke,
smoke,
smoke.
smoke.
Handlebar, handlebar,
Bar,
handlebar.
bar.
Okay,
Used to
steer.
a bicycle.
Yeah, to change the bicycle, right? Change the direction of the bicycle. Handlebar.
Bar,
Handlebar,
bar.
Okay. Yeah, that's a handlebar. So she leaned. Okay, she leaned against it. She leaned on,
The handlebars,
panting for breath. Okay. No. Why? What's this?
handlebar,
handlebar, handlebar, handlebar.
handlebar.
Pant,
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 pant.
pant. Verb,
Breath.
breath quickly.
Okay.
Pant,
Pant,
pant.
Breath quick. Pant.
pant, P-A-N-T, pant.
Gasp. No. Breath heavily. Quickly. That's it. Breath quickly. Okay.
Pant for breath.
Okay. Because
Hello?
Hi, this is Regional
going on?
Power and Utility. You're scheduled for shut-off due to an outstanding balance. I can help you
Do
pay
we
now.
have the correct? Spot the red flags
what the hell?
Nice try. With the AARP Fraud Watch Network.
Okay. So she raised. So when she arrived, that's why she panting for breath. Okay. Okay.
What does this metaphor tell you?
Okay.
It suggests that The display is colorful. It suggests that Turtle's braid is on and then
Okay, do you know which one?
This one. This one.
Okay. Have you seen the kite tail? Yeah, the kite tail. Okay. Tail. You see, the kite is very long, very thin. Okay. Okay, very long, very thin. That's kite tail. Okay.
Submit.
Yeah.
Submit.
Okay. Okay, let's read it this one. Danny.
Love a beautiful thing, and this film of he was as happy as a child could be at the sunshine.
Shone. Okay, it's a past tense of shine.
On him, and the father smiled up at him.
Okay.
Then Danny told himself stories about Tiny.
Copy.
Yeah.
Okay. This. What's that?
Pant. Pant. Pant.
Father. Breathe quickly.
Goblin.
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 Okay, okay, spell.
Goblin. Goblin.
Company is like this. Company. Okay. Okay. Oh gosh. Danny told himself stories about the tiny
Goblins who lived in caves under the snow.
Okay.
What does this example of personification
Good.
tell you?
Yeah, personification. Good, good. Okay, where's that personification? No, you read. No. I mean the bold words in the paragraph.
It suggests that the flowers make a boy happy. It suggests the flowers change shape as the boy passes. As the boy passes a
Okay.
flower, the boy
Okay.
passes.
Can you read it then?
The flowers smell up at him.
Okay. So which one?
This one.
Okay.
Submit.
Okay.
Submit.
Yeah. Let's read it this one.
I still think about the letter you asked me more to write it.
Nags at me. Okay. No. Why?
Goblin.
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 Nag. Nag. Nag.
Okay, keep asking something. Okay, that's nag. For example, kids keep asking for candy. That's nag. Okay.
nag, nag,
Okay. Okay.
To nag
Annoying.
someone by offering
Complain.
complain about his or her
Behavior. Appearance.
appearance.
Okay.
nag,
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 Okay.
my
Wife.
nags me about my busy work
Schedule.
schedule.
Okay. Yeah, this one.
My parents always
Nagging.
get me to clean my room
Okay, keep asking something.
nag,
nag,
Okay, can spell it.
and aging nag.
Yeah, bother.
Annoy.
Yeah, keep asking something. Okay, that's a nag. It nags me. Okay,
It nags me at me. I've never ever even though
good.
you are gone, and there's no one to give it to anymore.
Okay. Okay, I'm still thinking about the letter you asked me to write. Okay, that one, the letter. Okay, nags at me. So they're thinking. Okay, nags at me.
Sometimes I don't work on it. It my head trying to map out the story you asked me to tell about everything that happened in this past fall. And when the fall and
Fall is a season.
fall and
It's a season.
winter.
Good.
Winter.
Okay.
What does this example of personification tell you?
Okay, where's the personification? Okay, read it.
It nags me at me.
Okay.
It suggests that the character sometimes forgets about the letter. It suggests that the character still feels bothered by the letter. It suggests that the characters
Refuses.
refuses to write the letter.
Okay, which one?
It suggests that the it suggests that it suggests that the character still feels bothered by the letter.
Okay.
This one.
Okay.
The letter select.
Okay.
Submit.
Yeah.
Submit.
Okay. Okay, we stop here.